Hi, I'm Blake Brosey with Smart Foundation Repair, and I want to talk to you today about our core values, what we hold dear as a company. And our first of those being committed. What does committed mean? It means taking responsibility and ownership for the outcomes of your work, whether it's good or whether it's bad. Many of our team members put in extra time, extra effort beyond what they're paid for because they're committed to driving the mission forward. Ein Mann, ein Wort. It means a man, his word, which relates to my heritage. It's a German heritage that means a promise is a promise. And we hold that dear not only with our team members, but with our customers. When we say we're gonna do something, we're gonna execute it. The next core value that we have is clear. What does clear mean? It means I'm clear on exactly what is the most important thing. It means that we're regularly meeting together and talking about and refocusing on what matters most. What is going to drive the mission forward? What can we do with the least amount of resources to accomplish the biggest task? That is what clear means. The next core value is climbing. And all that simply means is every single day I'm getting better than I was before. I'm innovating the processes and systems of the company better than they were before. And at the core part of that is if I want to grow my career or I want to grow my income, it just means I have to do more good for the company. And as you do that, the company will then in turn invest in you. So a great test for this to see how well you're achieving this core value is how much have I grown in the last week? How much have I grown in the last 2 weeks? And as you start to do that on a regular basis, you will begin growing and innovating naturally. So last but not least is our core value of caring. And all that simply means at its core is that we empathize and respect both our team members and our customers. And we show that by how we talk to them, how we communicate, how we serve them, and all the way down to how we design our products show that we care more. So a great example of this is we had a team member at one time on his own initiative went and wiped down an entire laundry machine for the customer. He didn't need to. He wasn't asked to, but when he saw that it was dusty and they were doing their work, he had it cleaned. He cleaned the whole thing down. And we only found out about this because later the customer told us that he had cameras in his house watching the crew. And he was so impressed by the crews that did that. And all that means is caring a little bit more than the next person. So these are our core values. And as you begin to make these a part of your being, you will begin to thrive at Smart Foundation Repair. We're looking forward to having you on the team.